Today, I want to show you how to make a two-player racing game in Scratch. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own rocket racing game just like this one, where two players race across the screen and see who's faster. It's simple, fun, and great for beginners. Let's get started. First, let's add a backdrop. I'm going to choose the star backdrop to give our racing game a space theme. Next, let's remove the scratch cat and add a rock sprite. This rock will act as an obstacle in our racing game. We'll start with the rock sprite. When the green flag is clicked, hide the rock. Use a forever loop to create a clone every 0.4 seconds. When a clone starts, place the rock at a random position on the left side of the screen and give it a random size. We also create a speed variable to control how fast it moves. We set it to a random negative value. Then, show the rock and use the repeat until block to move it across the screen by changing its X position using the speed variable. We also make the rock rotate so it looks more interesting. When the rock reaches the right side of the screen, delete the clone.
Now, let's add Player 1. We'll upload a rocket sprite. This rocket is controlled by Player 1. When the green flag is clicked, set the rocket size to 25% and choose a color for Player 1. Place the rocket on the left side of the screen and make it point to the right. Now, let's add controls. If the W key is pressed, move the rocket up by 5. If the S key is pressed, move the rocket down by 5. Next, let's handle collisions. If the rocket touches the rock, play a fun sound. Then use a repeat block to make the rocket spin so it looks out of control and move it back by 5 steps. If the rocket is not hitting a rock, let it move forward by 1 step. Finally, if player 1 reaches the right side of the screen, say "I win," play a sound, and stop the game. Let's try it. Next, let's create Player 2. We can simply duplicate the Player 1 rocket and all the code will be copied over. Now, we just need to make a few changes. First, change the rocket color so Player 2 looks different. Next, adjust the starting X position. Most importantly, update the controls. For Player 2, use the up arrow to move the rocket up and the down arrow to move the rocket down. Now both players are ready to race.
And that's it. You've just created your own two-player racing game in Scratch. You can now challenge your friends. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next game.